Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve question number 9. So f of x is equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Find the coordinates of the points where the graph crosses the x-axis. So where it crosses the x-axis. So it crosses x-axis where f of x is equal to 0. So therefore x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So that implies the product is equal to 0. So either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2, right? Or you can write either x is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. And in the next step, you can write x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So for all the points, the y coordinate of all points is 0 because it is crossing the x-axis, and so the points are 0 0 1 0 and 2 0. So 0 0 1 0 2 0, and those are the points where it is crossing the x-axis. Now the next part, show that f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. So f of x is equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. This will be equal to x square minus x into x minus 2. This is x square into x minus 2 into x square minus x into x minus 2x, or minus into minus is plus. So x cube minus 2x square minus x square plus 2x, and this will turn out to be x cube minus 3x square plus 2x, and that is what they want us to prove, x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Now the next question, find the coordinates of the turning points of the graph. So we need to find out the coordinates of the turning points. So at turning points, what do we have? Dy by dx is equal to 0. So y is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 2x, and therefore dy by dx would be equal to 3 into x power 3 minus 1 minus 3 into 2 into x power 2 minus 1 plus 2 into 1 into x power 1 minus 1. That is equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 2, and this is the value of dy by dx. So now the next thing that we can do is, if dy by dx is equal to 0, that implies 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. And so in this case, let us use quadratic expression. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, which is minus of minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 3. Minus of minus 6 is 6 plus or minus minus 6 whole square is 36. 4 into 3 into 2 is 24 divided by 6. So this is 6 plus or minus 12 by 6. So therefore, what are the values of x? So x is equal to 6 plus root 12 by 6, or x is equal to 6 minus root 12 by 6. And these values, if you calculate using a calculator, the values are 1.57735, or x is equal to 6 minus root 12 by 6 is given by 0.422647. And if you look at the question, they have given very clearly that you need to show them correct to one decimal place. So if I cut this or round it up to one decimal place, x would be equal to 1.6 or x is equal to 0.4. Okay, so if x is equal to 0.4, then y would be equal to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 and so this would be equal to 0.4 into minus 0.6 into minus 1.6, and its value, if you calculate, is equal to 0.384, or y would be 0.4. Why? Again, I need to round it up to one decimal place. So the first point is, the point is 0.4 comma 0.4, 0.4, 0.4, and if I do it with the other number, which is if x is equal to 1.6, y would be equal to 1.6 into 0.6 into minus 0.4. Again, this is minus 3.384, and if I cut it to 1, round it up to one decimal place, y would be equal to minus 0.4, and so the corresponding point is 0.4 minus 0.4. So this is 0.4, this is minus 0.4. Oh, sorry, this is not 0.4. Here x is 1.6. So 1.6 comma minus 0.4, and this completes the question. So let us go into the other point. Part D. Sketch the graph of y is equal to f of x. So we have seen that there is one turning point at 0.4, 0.4, one turning at 1.6 minus 1.4, and since x cube is positive, so as x tends to infinity, y tends to infinity, y also keeps on increasing, and so it would end up at positive x-axis. So let us try to draw it. So it will have a shape something like this. Okay, so this is equal to 1 comma 0, this is equal to 2 comma 0, and this is 0 comma 0. And also, what are the other points that we can mention? This is 0.4 comma 0.4, and this is 1.6 comma minus 0.4. It is down and that is up, and this is the shape. So this is the sketch of the graph. This completes this question. So let us meet in another video. Until then, all the best. Thank you.